I am Benil, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Pondicherry College of Engineering. In this video class, I am going to teach you the example for construction of predictive parser. Last video class, I taught you behavior of predictive parser and table construction and the steps to construct the first and follow function. Okay. So in this video class, the example problem how to construct a predictive parser. Let's see, this is the grammar. In the university also they will give this grammar to, and they will give string also. I am considering id plus id star id. Okay. So if you derive this grammar, I can get id plus id star id. But the thing is how to pass this grammar to obtain, that is top down parser, to obtain this id plus id star id. Okay. So we are I am going to teach you using predictive parser technique. Okay, right. So first step is I told you we want to eliminate epsilon production. I mean eliminate ambiguity and eliminate left recursion, eliminate left factoring. Okay. So last video class I taught you how to eliminate left recursion, how to eliminate left factoring, and how to eliminate ambiguity. So if you see this grammar, whether we have left recursion, yes. Why? E tends to E, that is left recursion. Immediately that variable comes means left recursion. If you have any doubt, you can refer the previous videos. Okay, that is how to eliminate writing a grammar. Okay, right. So after eliminating left recursion, I will get the grammar like E tends to T E dash, and E dash tends to plus T E dash slash epsilon, and T tends to F T dash, and T dash tends to star, that is like this. Okay, star E, right, star E, this one, star E T dash slash epsilon, and F tends to open brace E slash close brace ID. Okay, so this is after eliminating epsilon production. Okay, so this is star F T dash. Okay, because star F T dash. Okay, after eliminating this grammar is also T star F slash F. Okay, so after eliminating left recursion, we will get this grammar. If you have any doubt how to eliminate left recursion, you can refer writing a grammar videos. Okay. Whether we have left factoring? No, we don't have a left factoring here. Clear? Okay, so this is the first step to eliminate left recursion. And what is the second step is we want to find first and follow. How to find first and follow, that also I have given in the previous video classes. But anyway, how to find first and follow is we have to find the first function for all the variables. Okay, how many variables here? E is a variable, E dash is a variable, T is a variable, T dash is a variable, F is a variable. Okay, so we want to find all the first function for all the variable. So how I can write is first of, that is first of E. Okay, first one is first of E. What is first of E? How to find the first function? I have to check immediate next to the E. Okay, what is first of E? If it is a terminal, I can write the terminal. If it is a variable, first of E is first of that variable. Now E tends to T, T is a variable. So first of E is first of T, that is also variable, first of F. So first of T, that is first of F. Okay, first of F. What is the first of F? Open brace and ID, that is open brace comma ID. Okay, this is finding a first function. I found first of E, first of T, first of F, and first of T dash. Clear? First of F and first of T. Right. Now remaining first of E found and E dash is there. First of E dash. What is first of E dash? See, immediate terminal is plus and epsilon. So first of E dash is plus and epsilon. Okay. Now I want to find first of E dash is over. Now T already I found, right? T is there, and first of T dash. What is first of T dash? Star comma epsilon, that is star comma epsilon. Okay, now first of find f is there, already I found. Okay, now we have to find follow function. Okay, so follow of all the variables e and e dash. So first follow of e, follow of e. How, what is the procedure to find follow function? We want to see right side of the arrow where e is. Okay, whenever it is the first start symbol, that we have to put dollar. Okay, so right side e is here, immediately followed open brace and open brace. So open brace is there. E is immediately followed by close brace, close brace. So I have to put close brace. Clear? And follow of e is over. Now e dash. Follow of e dash. Follow of e dash. Okay. What is follow of e dash? I have to find right side. E dash is here. E dash is for nothing to be followed by e dash. So we have to write the follow of e. So follow of e is dollar comma close brace. Okay. Now follow of e dash is over t. Follow of t. So what is follow of t? I have to see the right side of the arrow. T is here. T is followed by e dash. So I want to check e dash first. If there is epsilon, I want to write follow of e. Any doubt, you can refer how to find a follow function in the previous videos. Okay. Right. Once again, if I am going to find follow of t, so right side of the arrow t is there, immediately followed by one variable. So I want to see the first of that variable. E dash first is plus. If there is epsilon, I want to include follow function for that variable also. This is the rule. Okay. So t followed by e dash. So I want to see first of e dash. So t is there, plus is there. There is epsilon. So I have to write follow of e dash also. That is dollar follow of e dash, dollar comma close brace. Close brace. Clear? Similarly, t is over. Now follow of t dash. Follow of t dash. Okay, follow of t dash. Follow of t dash. What is follow of t dash? See, I have to see the right side of the arrow, t dash is there. T dash is not followed by anything. So I can write follow of t. That is the rule. Right? T dash is not followed by any variable or terminal. So I want to write follow of t. So what is follow of t? Already I written plus dollar close brace. So follow of t dash is plus dollar close brace. Okay. Now I want to write follow of f. Follow of f. What is follow of f? F is there. F is followed by t dash. So I want to check the t dash first function. Right. Follow of f is followed by t dash. So I want to see first of t dash. First of t dash is star is there. So I want to write star. And if there is epsilon, I want to go write follow of t dash also. What is follow of t dash? Plus comma dollar comma close brace. Okay. So this concept I have explained in the previous videos. So you have to refer if you have any doubt. Okay. So what steps I did for constructing predictive parser? First one is eliminating the grammar, writing a grammar. And second one is I find first function and then I found follow function. Okay. So the third step is we have to construct a transition table. That means parsing table. Parsing table. Okay. Parsing table. So in the parsing table, you know the TOC also I taught you this side. That means column wise we have the variables. Okay. How many variables are there? E is a variable, T is a variable, T dash is a variable, F is a variable. So we have to write E is a variable, T is a variable, T dash is a variable and E dash is also variable, E dash is also variable, F is also variable. Okay. And in a row wise we want to write a terminals. Okay, terminals. What are the terminals are here? Plus ID we have, plus we have, star we have, dollar we have, and open brace we have, close brace we have. These are the terminals we use to construct predictive parser in this grammar. Okay. So we want to fill this transition table. How to fill this parsing table or transition table is, see, I want to fill E functions. Okay. So where I want to fill is, we have to see the first function for this E. Already we found first of E, right? First of E. So the answer is open brace and ID. So in the place of open brace and ID, I want to fill something. So what we want to fill is E production we want to fill. That is E tends to T E dash. Okay, so where we want to see the first function, first of E is open brace ID. So in place of open brace and ID, I want to fill the production. Which production is E production? So what is E production? E tends to TE dash. So here I want to fill E tends to TE dash. Similarly here also I want to fill E tends to TE dash. Okay, TE dash. Second I want to fill in this area. So what I want to fill is, I want to check first of T. First of T is where it is, yes, plus dollar close brace. Okay, so in the place of plus dollar close brace, I want to fill T production, plus dollar close brace, I want to fill T production. Okay, that is where is first of T? First of T is star comma epsilon. So in the place of star, I want to fill T's production here. Okay, what is T? T tends to FT dash. So T tends to FT dash. T tends to FT dash. And if there is epsilon, I want to fill T dash follow also. Okay, follow of T dash is plus dollar close brace. So in the place of plus star dollar close brace, I want to fill T dash tends to epsilon. T dash tends to epsilon. Sorry, T dash tends to epsilon. Okay, so for T I have filled like, where is first of T? First of T open brace and ID. Okay, so in the place of open brace and ID, I have to fill the T production. Okay, so open brace, where is open brace? Here. So T production is FT dash. So T tends to FT dash, and where is here it is, right, ID. So ID T tends to FT dash. Clear? Now I want to go for T dash. So T dash first is star epsilon. So I want to see the star which I want to fill T dash production, that is star FT dash. So T dash star, I have to fill T dash tends to star FT dash, and if there is epsilon, I want to go with the follow of T dash. So plus dollar close brace, I want to fill epsilon. T dash tends to epsilon. So where is plus? Here. So T dash tends to epsilon. That is T dash tends to epsilon, and dollar, where dollar is, yes, T dash tends to epsilon, where close brace is T dash tends to epsilon. Okay, and now I want to check E dash. So first of E dash is plus epsilon. So in the place of plus, I have to fill plus T E dash. So E dash plus, I have to fill E dash tends to plus T E dash. So E dash tends to plus T E dash. Okay, if there is epsilon, I want to find the follow of E dash. Where is follow of E dash? Dollar and close brace. In the place of dollar and close brace, I got to fill E dash tends to epsilon. So dollar E dash tends to epsilon, and close brace, dollar and close brace. Follow of E dash is here, close brace. So close brace E dash tends to epsilon. Finally, I have to fill F function. So first of F is open brace ID. So in open brace and in ID, I have to fill F tends to open brace E close brace. So in place of open brace, F tends to open brace E close brace. In place of ID, F tends to ID. Okay. So this is the way to fill the transition passing table. This is the way to fill a passing table. Okay. So this is very important, how to fill the passing table. And next one is, we have to do stack implementation for this ID plus ID star ID. Okay. To implement for stack implementation, we need a passing table. That is, first one is stack and input and action. Okay. So now you want to know the behavior of the parser. Okay. First you take $E. Why I am taking E is, since this is the top down parser, we have to parse top to bottom. That means start symbol to we want to get output, that means this string. What is start symbol? We have to take E first. If it is bottom up parser, in the place we have to take the given input, because bottom to top we want to derive, okay, that is bottom up parser. That means here, since it is a top down parser, we want to start with the start symbol. In the grammar, E is a start symbol. So E, what is dollar? It denotes the end, okay. That means in a stack, this is the stack, dollar is here, and I have taken E like this. At the dollar, that denotes the bottom of the stack, okay, right. So now in the stack we have dollar $E, and what is the input they have given? ID plus ID star ID. So ID plus ID star ID, ID plus ID star ID. So action, based on the behavior of parser, we want to write the action. That means at the top of the stack is E and input is different terminal. So what we want to see? We have to look up into the passing table. That is the behavior of parser, that is the rule. So EID, we want to look up into the passing table. That is EID. So the production is E tends to T E dash. E tends to T E dash. Okay, T E dash. That means we want to push this T E dash into the stack. Clear? Normally, see, I have taken E start symbol. Now the stack is like this, and I want to put push in the place of E. I want to push T E dash. Since this is the stack, we want to push it into reverse order. That also I taught you in a previous class. That is behavior of parser. So in the place of E, we don't push T E dash. We don't write T E dash, because stack we will push into the reverse order. Like see, in the place of E, now T E dash means first we will write E dash T. That is reverse order we will push. So E dash T, okay, like this, E dash T. Now the top of the stack is T, okay. Since it is the stack, we will push that production or the terminal or the variable into the reverse order, okay. Okay, now the input is same, ID plus ID star ID. Now this is the top of the stack is one terminal variable, and input is ID, that is one terminal. So the behavior is we want to look up into the passing table. So TID is here, TID. So again we have T tends to FT dash. So T tends to FT dash. T tends to FT dash. So similarly, the same thing, in place of T, we have to push that FT dash into reverse order. So dollar E dash is there, in place of T only we want to push into reverse order. So T dash F, okay, ID plus ID star ID. Now we want to check F and ID, okay. So what is FID? F is the top of the stack, ID is a input. So we have to look up into passing table according to the behavior. So F and ID is F tends to ID. So F tends to ID, F tends to ID, okay. So in place of F only I have to put which one? ID, okay. So ID, now input is ID plus ID star ID, star ID. Now according to the behavior, top of the stack is ID and input is also ID, okay. So we can pop from the stack. This is the second behavior, okay. So we can pop from the stack. So pop ID, okay. Now dollar E dash, dollar E dash, E dash, dollar E dash T dash, dollar E dash T dash, here plus ID star ID. Now I want to check T dash plus. T dash is a variable, plus is a terminal. So if the stack is variable, input is terminal, means we have to look up into passing table. So T dash plus, T dash is here, plus is here. So T dash tends to epsilon. T dash tends to epsilon, okay. If it is epsilon, what is the meaning? According to the behavior, we can pop a terminal from the stack, okay. Because like this, now E dash epsilon means dollar is here, E dash is here, T dash is here, okay, in the stack. So if it is epsilon, we can pop that first input from the stack. That is according to the behavior of parser. We can if it is epsilon, that means T dash we can pop. So dollar E dash, so T dash is not there because we pop from the stack, dollar I star ID. Now E dash plus, E dash tends to plus T E dash. So E dash tends to plus T E dash. So in place of E dash, I am going to push this terminal and variable in reverse order since it is stack. So dollar E dash T and plus, okay, plus ID star ID, plus ID star ID. So now top of the stack is plus, terminal input is also plus, so we can pop from the stack and input. Okay, so dollar E dash T ID star ID, ID star ID. Now T ID, I have to here pop plus T ID. What is T ID? T ID, T tends to F T dash, T tends to F T dash, right? So in place of T, I want to push this in the reverse order. So E dash is there, so T dash F, T dash F, here ID star ID. So I have to check F ID, top of the stack is variable terminal. So look up into passing table, F ID, F tends to ID, F tends to ID. So dollar E dash T dash, in place of F, I have pushed into ID, push ID, okay. So ID star ID. Now see, ID is top of the stack, input is also same terminal. So I can pop from the stack. So dollar, that is pop ID, pop ID. So dollar E dash T dash star ID. So T dash star, look up into passing table, T dash star, that is T dash tends to star F T dash, star F T dash. So in place of T dash, I can push this into reverse order. So E dash is already there. So T dash F star, T dash F star, T dash F star. Okay. So star ID. See, I can pop from the stack as well as input, same terminal. So pop star. So dollar E dash T dash F and ID. So I have to check F ID. So what is that? F ID, F ID, F tends to ID, F tends to ID. So dollar E dash T dash ID. So same terminal. So I can pop from the stack. So pop ID. So dollar E dash T dash, and we have to, at the end we have to put dollar, because in output also or input also, output also, the last thing is marked as dollar. Okay, this you have to put, don't forget dollar. So now ID and ID pop from the stack, only dollar is there. So T dash dollar, T dash dollar, T dash dollar, T dash tends to epsilon, T dash tends to epsilon. That means we can pop T dash from the stack, we can pop this from the stack. So dollar E dollar, this pop from the stack. Now E dollar, what is E dollar? E dollar, E dash dollar, this is E dash dollar. What is E dash dollar? E dash dollar is E dash tends to epsilon. So E dash tends to epsilon. So we can pop E dash also from the stack. So dollar, and here also dollar. That means in the stack we pushed a variable and terminal, then finally we make this as empty. Okay. Similarly in the output also, that we pushed the input and finally we make it as an empty. Okay. So that means here also make stack also empty, output also empty. So if it is comes dollar here, that means the string is accepted. The string is accepted. Okay. We pushed the variables and terminals into the stack, as well as we pushed the input from the input tape, and now we make stack as an empty as well as input as an empty. If some variable comes when finally, that means not accepted. Okay, if it is dollar and dollar, it is accepted. Clear? So this is the way to construct a passing table. First step, we have to eliminate the writing a grammar, and we want to find first, we want to find follow, and we want to construct transition table, and stack implementation use the behavior of the parser. Finally dollar, the string is accepted. Okay, thank you.